Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students, professionals, and Excel users looking to improve productivity tuning in. Learning a few useful Excel shortcuts can help you work faster and save valuable time every day. Here's something helpful for you. Top Excel shortcuts to work faster. Information from Youthbuddy. Microsoft Excel is one of the most widely used tools for data management, calculations, reporting, and office productivity. While many users rely heavily on the mouse, keyboard shortcuts can significantly improve speed, efficiency, and accuracy. A great place to start is with a few essential shortcuts that are useful in almost every workbook. Popular examples include Ctrl+C for copy, Ctrl+V for paste, Ctrl+Z for undo, Ctrl+S for save, F2 for editing a cell, Ctrl+T for creating a table, and Alt+= for autosum. These shortcuts alone can make everyday Excel tasks much faster. Navigation shortcuts are also extremely valuable when working with large datasets. Shortcuts such as Ctrl+arrow keys, Ctrl+home, and Ctrl+end allow users to move quickly through worksheets without scrolling manually. Selection shortcuts help when managing rows, columns, and large blocks of data. Using combinations such as Shift+arrow keys, Ctrl+space, and Shift+space can make data selection much more efficient. Excel also provides useful shortcuts for inserting, deleting, hiding, and unhiding rows and columns. These features are especially helpful when organizing reports and maintaining structured worksheets. Formatting shortcuts can save considerable time when preparing professional spreadsheets. Users can quickly apply currency, percentage, date, and time formats, as well as access the Format Cells dialog for additional customization. Formula-related shortcuts are another major productivity booster. Functions such as AutoSum, formula editing, function insertion, and formula visibility controls can simplify calculations and reduce repetitive work. Data handling shortcuts are particularly useful when working with tables and filters. Creating Excel tables, applying filters, opening filter menus, and adjusting row or column sizes can all be done efficiently through keyboard commands. Excel also includes several powerful function keys. For example, F2 allows cell editing, F4 repeats actions or manages absolute references, F7 performs spell checking, and F11 can quickly generate charts. As learners progress, they can gradually move from basic shortcuts to more advanced productivity techniques. Beginners may focus on copy, paste, save, and navigation shortcuts, while intermediate users can learn filters, tables, and formatting features. Advanced users can explore formula tools, function keys, and specialized shortcuts for handling complex worksheets. The key to mastering Excel shortcuts is consistent practice. Even learning a few shortcuts at a time can lead to noticeable improvements in productivity and workflow efficiency. Whether you are a student, office employee, business owner, or data analyst, Excel shortcuts can help you work smarter and complete tasks more effectively. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the technology section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.